Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum and what is happening in our S&P 500 trade, what is going on, trade update, and what I can expect in the crypto market in the next couple of days and in the next week. So let's get into the chart. First of all, talking about our S&P 500 trade right here, which we took over here. I took over here and I suggested you to do your own analysis as well, and then only decide what to do or not. So I short S&P 500 over here, and right now it gave a massive dump to the downside. So what I can clearly see is this right here, doji candle. Well, doji is a neutral candle. It symbolizes neutrality in the market. So I can't say that a bullishness can come from here or a bearishness. And what I can see is the volume is very high. The price of S&P 500 did a, I would say, a major fallout all the way down till 4,665, but it recovered from there. Not only this, but it went up till 4,722, and still it did a dump. So I would say both buyers and sellers are right now quite heavily active in this market, and as I said, it is a neutral candle, so I can't say much of it, but still I will wait for some confluence or anything. If I see any bullish confluence from here, then I will book some profits on my S&P 500, and the rest of my short trade will run because my take profit is 4,586. But as I said, I will book partial profits if I see any bullish confluence to the upside also from here. So as today is weekend, so right now the market is closed, so let's wait for the next week. On Monday we'll see what can happen in the price, and I will update you guys on my Twitter as well, and also I will make a video too. So coming to the Bitcoin's chart, and after this dump to the downside, which was because of matrix port news and analysis, or because of mass liquidation, as I already told you in my previous video, the Bitcoin price again recovered it from here and went to the upside again. Right now, as I say, it is sideways only, not much any move right now, and you guys can clearly see how important this blue zone is. Whenever the price of Bitcoin goes near it, a massive dump always comes. So right now again I will not trade. I will wait either for a good bearish confluence near this blue zone, any reversal sign, then I will go short on Bitcoin only then. Or if the price of Bitcoin gave a breakout of this whole zone above $48,000, then I will go long on Bitcoin. Ethereum is also sideways right now, nothing much to show, and yeah, I mean it is making this zone as a support right here, but still I won't go long on Ethereum as well, because I'm not seeing any bullishness or any bullish analysis on Ethereum. I'm not able to find any setup as well, so we'll wait here. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it, and right now I'm outside traveling, so please avoid the noise, and please try to understand what I'm trying to say in this video. Do watch it 2 to 3 times also. Right now our S&P 500 trade is, like, I would say, a lot of profits right now going on that trade. But if I see any bullish confluence, any bullish analysis, any, I would say, any buyers, I would say, setup forming there, I will book my profits in S&P 500 trade, and my remaining trade still will be running only. So let's see what will happen. Do follow me on my Twitter. I will update you guys there, and if you want to trade S&P 500, you can do that on Exness. Link of Exness is in the description down below. You can create an account on Exness for free and get up to $1,000 bonus also. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link of Bybit is in the description and in the pinned comments. Yeah, create an account for free and get $30,000. So see you guys next time.